Most people talk to ChatGPT like it's a magic 8-ball. Write me a joke about pizza. Or tell me if I'll ever get rich. And hey, I love pizza jokes as much as anyone, but you're missing out on ChatGPT's real superpowers. This isn't just a toy, it's the Swiss Army knife for your brain. And today, I'll prove it. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use ChatGPT to save hours, learn faster, create cooler stuff, and maybe even make some money. And no, you don't need a PhD in computer science. If you can type, you're in. Here's the thing, most people are like, "Hey ChatGPT, tell me a joke about my cat wearing sunglasses." Cute. But you wouldn't use your phone only as a flashlight, right? Well, that's exactly what you're doing when you use AI only for silly stuff. You've got a Ferrari in your garage, and you're just revving it in neutral. Need to write 20 emails, but don't want to waste your life doing it? Boom! ChatGPT drafts them in 5 minutes. Have a giant to-do list? It can sort, prioritize, and even tell you which tasks you can probably ignore. Your boss will think you cloned yourself. Forget boring Google rabbit holes. ChatGPT can explain quantum physics like you're 5 or like you're Albert Einstein's cousin. Whatever works. You can get personalized study plans for literally anything: guitar, coding, cooking, even learning how to win at Monopoly without your family hating you. Stuck on a project idea? Tell ChatGPT, give me 10 insane ideas for a YouTube channel about sandwiches. Bam! Now you have a series called Between the Bread where you interview people as you make subs. You're welcome. Got a leaky faucet? It can walk you through fixing it. Need a workout plan for a wedding in 3 weeks? It's on it. Want to start a side hustle but have no clue where to start? You can literally have it design your business plan while you make coffee. Here's my 3-rule cheat code for getting gold from ChatGPT. 1. Be specific. Vague questions get vague answers. 2. Ask for multiple options. Choice is power. 3. Always refine. The first answer is just the starting point. And here's where ChatGPT stops being your AI buddy and starts being your secret career weapon. Need a resume rewrite? It's done in 30 seconds. Want to prep for a job interview? Boom, instant Q&A role play. You can even get it to brainstorm side hustle ideas you never thought of, from selling digital products to creating niche YouTube channels. The point, if you only ask it funny questions, you're missing the part where it could literally help you earn more money. ChatGPT is like that one friend who knows everything, except it never gets tired of you asking why. Want to learn Italian? It'll talk to you in Italian and explain the grammar. Curious about quantum physics? It'll break it down with cats, pizzas, or dinosaurs if that's your style. Use it to sharpen your brain daily, because the smarter you get, the better your prompts get and the better your life gets. So, still think ChatGPT is just a toy? Or are you ready to turn it into your personal AI assistant / genius / life coach? In the next video, I'll show you how to get ChatGPT to build you a complete side hustle from scratch. Subscribe now, because that one is going to be wild.